I gotta be honest with you. I'm a little bit impressed about this 59-inch, which I'm gonna show you in a few seconds entirely. This 59-inch LED light that this brand sent to me for the video. I'm surprised because it looks really good. It's actually good. It looks good on the base. It has a really nice kind of like illuminated base right here. And it has a whole thing, kind of like a whole string of light that goes up to 59 inches. You want to know two things that I like about this one, actually three before I show it to you in a close-up. Number one, it comes with a remote control. Not all of it comes with a remote control in case that you don't want to use the app. So in this case, I'm not going to use the app because I'm using my phone over there, but it comes with an app that is super intuitive. I tried it already. You can do music, you can do scenes, you can do many colors. It has 16 million colors combinations, and it's really easy to install with the Bluetooth app, of course, that you can connect this one. So you can also use smart devices too, so that's actually another good thing. And of course, using the remote control is super convenient. So you can just change the colors with a click of a button. You can put the music, you can put speed, for example. I'm going to show you the base right here. So right now it's with the music, if I'm not mistaken. It is with the music, so you can see if you have kind of like sound going on or something like that, that is rhythm and with a good bass or something like that. This one is going to react to that, to the noise and the vibration. So I'm going to put it in white again, this one right here. The other thing that surprised me a little bit is the installation, because some of these lamps comes with an actual kind of like rope, with a neon rope of light that you gotta install. This one, actually, no. It is embedded in the actual one of these pipes. So the only thing you gotta do is the connector is in each one of these pieces. This is number one. Then you put number two, number three, and number four on the top. And you're gonna connect those connectors by applying a little bit of pressure and then putting some type of super tiny screws on the back, tie them in, and you're all set. And also comes with a control right here on the actual lamp in case that you don't want to use any of the things that give you. You can use it with a button over here. I'm gonna put it right here in the corner and show it to you in a close. Okay, so here we are. As I was telling you before, 59 inches, and you have the app, the smart devices, and the buttons over there. But also you're gonna see that you have the convenience of the remote controller. You can dim the lights. Let me show you something super cool. I'm actually gonna turn off the lights over here so you can see this one a little bit better. And again, I'm gonna just show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. But you can dim the lights just like this, super easy, or you can put it up to the max brightness. Everything is going to be just with, this is telling me that it's the max already. Everything is going to be with the remote control or the app. You also have a timer 1 or 2 hours with the app. You have more time. And of course, as I was telling you before, you have the music over here as well. So as I was just showing you before, you have this and changing the mode of the music as well. Like this one is a really nice rainbow, for example. And this one is kind of like a meter that goes up with the different colors. And of course, you have kind of like this really nice rainbow over here. 59 inches. Let's jump on a super closer look. And look at all the modes you have. You have so many that you can just keep changing with the app, with the remote controller, and many of the other options they give you. Just make sure that you connect it via the Bluetooth, and that's gonna be it. All these modes, I'm just changing them. But of course, the best thing about this one is gonna be, to me, the base and the kind of like displays of the color with the rainbow mode over here. So again, super easy to install, 59 inches. You have the remote controller over here. Remember also the app, and of course the voice control as well. Super easy installation, looks really good. And of course, it's gonna work perfectly for your gaming room, your man cave, your living room. Just like wanna give some really nice scenes when you're watching a movie or something like that. This could be the one. I like it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.